Hi, Chloe.
Chloe girl.
Bless you.
That was so sweet. Bless you, Chloe. Can you smile for Mommy? You're just talking. Talk. Talk. Mm. Mm. Hello, I'm over here. Do you want to say anything else? Oh, very good. Yeah, tell me more. Yes, what else? What else? What else? Do you need a diaper